Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Xander Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. You ever wondered why you should start a candle business? Considering how saturated it is. Well, there's so many reasons for that, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why. Most households, if not all, use candles in their homes, and it's an easy business that you can start from home as there are a ton of resources that you can find online. It also has an amazing low startup cost, and finding and purchasing materials is very easy. You only need a few basic pieces of equipment. With all of that out of the way, you are guaranteed a high return on investment. You can market your candles through so many platforms like gift stores, craft stores, online through outlets or platforms like Etsy, or you can just create your own website and sell your candles. The options are limitless. Heck, we see candles everywhere. In grocery stores, furniture stores, you can find them literally anywhere. Although the candle industry is a thriving market with a supportive community, it's important for you to stand out because there's so many candle brands out there. And this is where you get a chance to be creative and think of ideas that no one has ever done before. I've seen brands that sell candles that are sneakers, star signs, body shapes. I'm sure most of you guys have seen a lot of these candles. More and more people are spending time at home and also investing in self-care. So consumers will want to make their homes smell good and feel comfortable. And candles are an easy way to do so. People are always looking for fun new scents to try and interesting brands to support. So there's definitely space for your unique candle business. Even though your creativity can be the one thing that makes you stand out from the industry, it's important to also still stick to having a target audience. For example, if your brand is selling decorative candle pieces or those Pinterest candles or the aesthetic ones, the ones that just look pleasing to the eye, then definitely you have a specific audience for that. But if people are interested in actually using those candles, then they'll just go for the basic ones as long as they have a nice scent and they're packaged really nice. The whole point of buying candles is to elevate the ambience in your home or whatever space you're in. Having a candle brand is also important for you as a small business owner to experiment with different fragrance oil blends, the type of wax to use, and the candle mold. Make sure that you're creating a high quality candle as it is vital to success. Nobody likes a poor performing product, regardless of how pretty it is. It's important to make sure that the scent fills up the room every time your consumer lights the candle, or else you get a one-time customer. As we head into the new year, I hope you guys have come up to this point where you realize just how important it is to create compelling content for your business and building a loyal audience. Take advantage of social media. Use all those platforms to connect with your audience and also let them into the product itself, what it can do for them, and the benefits that they'll get from it. If you create a great product that customers love, those customers will in turn tell their friends and family about your candles or give them out as gifts. And if they swear by it, of course, they're gonna come back and buy it for themselves or as gifts for other people. So your brand loyalty becomes a snowball effect, which is great for building your empire and your pockets. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time.